Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PocketGuard for cash flow planning. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the PocketGuard app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Select the option to get started. On the next screen, you'll see an option to sign up. Tap on the Sign Up button to proceed. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security guidelines. After entering your email and password, tap on the Next button. You'll be prompted to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification message from PocketGuard. Open the email and click the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the app. Now, sign in using your email and the password you created. After signing in, you'll be asked to provide some personal information. Fill in your name, income sources, and financial goals as prompted. Next, link your bank accounts for a comprehensive overview of your cash flow. Select the financial institutions you use from the list. Enter your online banking credentials to securely connect your accounts. Once your accounts are linked, give the app a moment to gather your financial data. Review the information presented to ensure it's accurate. You can now set your monthly budget and spending categories. Customize your financial goals within the app as needed. Explore the dashboard to see your cash flow, expenses, and savings. That's it. You are now registered with PocketGuard for effective cash flow planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.